Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set auto call recording in your phone Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to this call button and here go to these three vertical dots and click on settings. Now click on call recording and here you have two options to record call. First option is numbers not in your contacts. Always record numbers not in your contacts means all unsaved numbers will have auto call recording. Call recording will automatically call recording will be done when they are making call to you. When unknown persons making call to you. Okay, that's the first option. Okay, click on always record. Turn on this button uh, uh, and call recording will be enabled for unsaved numbers. If you want to use call recording for some selected numbers only, then click on the second option and here turn on this button and click on always record and you have to choose the contact. Click on choose a contact and here select the contact from your phone. Here I would like to select this one. Okay, and go back. So in this in this two way you can set auto call recording. Here I would like to show a demo on how it works for unsaved numbers. Okay, numbers not in your contacts. I have enabled it and see what will happen. I will show a live demo now. I make a call from another number which is not saved here. So this is unknown number and it is received and recording is also going on. Hello, hello, call recording checking, call recording checking. Thank you. I stop the call and it is stored now. To see the recorded call, go to the call button again here and go to these three vertical dots and click on settings, click on call recording and here you have recording option. Okay, delete recording, never delete all recordings. Oh, deleting is also one recording is available. Okay, so here you can only delete, but to access the recorded call, go to files, then go to internal storage, then music, not pictures, no, DCIM, no, where it is stored, movies, no, download, no, Android, no. Otherwise go to that call recent and here you will find this is the call I received and play it. Hello, call recording checking, and recording is also going on. Hello, call recording checking, thank you. So this is the recorded call. Okay. So in this way you can easily set auto call recording and also locate the recorder file. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.